All right, today we're going to bring some LED lights, and these are panel lights. All right, so they're very bright, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I actually bought a customized square just for this system because I want to put these in my garage. Now these are made for ceilings, and if you have dividers in the ceilings, then they just go flat. All right, now they got different sizes. All right, 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4. All right, so now another option is that they give you a couple of different ways of mounting in here. You could even chain them. All right, have them hanging by chain if you want. That's optional. They even have that included here. Now this is a large square. We're looking at I think it's a 2x2 on this one, but like I said, every option is available there. We're gonna take a look at it and see how you connect this. All right, let's take a look. Here you have a couple options. All right, they give you the option to change the lighting. All right, because you have different lumens on it, and it tells you exactly how to set it up. Different dowels on it. We're going to open it up and see the cabling. The cable is actually included in here. They give you hooks, like I said, but you could chain this up. I bought them out that I'm going to set them up, so it becomes a set of two, and we're going to set them up, and they're going to show you how it looks in the actual garage. All right, so not just for a home office, but great lighting for your projects in your studios, pretty much anything. Let's open it up, and here's all the cabling. All right, so on this cabling, because the LED light is just going to require hot and neutral. All right, so on this toggle right here, it's going to feed the wattage. All right, that's what you have. On this one's the lumen. On this side, you're going to have different lumens, if you guys can see, 3000 all the way to 6300K. All right, adjustable, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. We're going to adjust it live. All right, these two cable are for a lighting adjustment, for dimming. All right, we don't have a dimming, so we're not going to set these up. All right, we're going to show you the lumens. All right, that's number 1 right now. I'm going to move in number 2. All right, we're going to go into number 3, 4, and 5. We're going to keep this one. This is my favorite one because it's kind of like a daylight, but you can always go all the way to the bottom, if you guys can see that. Now, one important thing that I ran into an issue, I don't have a dimmer, so you got to tie down the 2 dimmers or it's going to flicker. Right, just make sure you're aware. If you don't have a dimmer, tie them down somewhere where they're not going to touch each other or they're going to get a little flashy, so just be aware of that. All right, we're going to set up the LED light now. I'm going to put the wiring too. All right, I got the square all the way. The light's flush. You guys can see it. Now let's plug it in. Let's power it up and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here's my final product. If you guys can see, I have it in my shop. This is pretty much my shop right here where I work on my computers. I bought the actual base. If you guys can see, it's a 2x2 base. Came out perfect, easy to set up. You could have all your tools. Look how light the lighting. So when I'm working on computers, look how bright it is. All right, and this is my shop I work on all the time, and this is my permanent lights I have because they are super bright. They're extremely bright. They light up the whole entire place here. I'm gonna show you a little bit glimpse of it, how bright they are. So these are 2. I put them by side, but they give a lot of light in here. Beautiful LED lights. They work great. It took me about 20 minutes to set up the base and then slide them in there, tie them up, and then lock them in place, and that was it. So very simple to put together. If you guys are gonna buy something, I highly recommend you setting something like this, but make sure you get the base first. Recommendation, the base, and then the lighting. So came out really good, really bright. I kept the highest bright, as you can see, because I really enjoy the lighting itself, and plenty of lighting in my shop here where I'm working on projects. I'm working all the time on computers, but I don't need additional light. This is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.